All right, then, to the courts we go, where Netball Jamaica today unveiled the new Sunshine Girls head coach, Jermaine Allison McCracken, who signed a one-year contract with the local netball governing body.
Holding a Level 2 coaching certificate from the United Kingdom, Jermaine Allison McCracken has over 40 years experience in netball, none of which, by the way, is at the international level.
We wanted to be prudent, and while we're taking risks, we wanted to make sure that we felt that putting 3 coaches together, because that's where the world has gone now. You have 3 coaches on the bench. One coach is the assistant coach, one is the head coach usually, and then you have a performance analyst who's also a coach. So we knew the formula that we were after.
I'm quite focused on what I need to do. It's a different culture for them, for the girls particularly, in terms of what I want them to do. The swim training is met with a little bit of resistance, but it's so awesome when you get really good breathing and you can then take it to that next level in terms of when you think you're tired, you just dig deep and you can breathe. So I'm prepared to really push hard. I'm not here necessarily to be liked by them. I hope they like me at the end when they get the results, but I'm certainly going to work them hard.
McCracken's appointment was not without controversy, as former national coach Connie Francis questioned the selection process. But President of Netball Jamaica, Dr. Paula Daly-Morris, says there is no love lost between Francis and the association.
I hold no grudges. She did not accept the proposal, and we just have to move on. Connie and I have been coming for years, playing together, working together and all of that. No love has been lost, not for me. I love Connie. We all love Connie, you know, so it's fine.
One area of the team that came under the microscope recently is the selection of players, something the new coach has not yet discussed with Netball Jamaica.
Not at all. We've not got to that situation yet. I'll be led by their protocols. There's never one person. Maybe as head coach I would have the final decision, but I'll wait and see how it pans out. I don't think that I'm not here to make waves. I'm here to do a job.
And as it relates to a split in opinions about the appointment of the new coach, McCracken is not too concerned.
I'm not really aware of what's been going on, so I'm trying not to let the previous relationships interfere with what I need to do. So I'm a fresh face, I've got a new approach, I'm just going to go ahead and do what I need to do.
So far, at least one player is not concerned about McCracken's limited international experience.
Not for me, but based on her reasoning and what she has to bring to the table, I'm sure that even if she hasn't really experienced the international level, she will be able to actually bring other aspects to Jamaica netball.
McCracken's first test will come against Barbados in the middle of next month before the Caribbean Championships in August. Renard Brown for TVJ Sports.